Good day, friends. It's Terri Miles. Remember, you can communicate with me on Twitter and Instagram, also via email at milesofsmiles1111@gmail.com. All of that information will be shared here in the link. Today, I'd like to share with you a simple recipe that I've been using for juicing that's very tasty, and I just find it very healthy and refreshing. I found this recipe online and I've been using it now for several months. It's very tasty and I just like it. It's called Fennel to the Metal, and it yields about 26 ounces. This is just a portion of it, but this is what it looks like. And the recipe calls for 1 fennel bulb. This is what the fennel bulb looks like. 2 red pears. I've used regular pears. If you can't find red pears in your local market, the regular pears work fine. The red pears are just a little sweeter, I've noticed. 2 oranges, peeled. 1 lemon, peeled. And 10 fresh peppermint leaves. So you wash all of those ingredients, and for the lemon and the oranges, if you don't feel like peeling, you can certainly cut the peel off. That's what I do. It's just easy, it's simple, and it saves time. Wash everything, push them through the juicer, and then add 1/2 cup of coconut water and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Shake it all up and you have Fennel to the Metal. It's very tasty, it's very refreshing, quite healthy, and I just find that it has made a very big difference in part of the change that I've incorporated in my life as part of my diet. So I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you find this video helpful. I will post also the recipe in the link below. And enjoy. Peace and blessings.